Hello friends, welcome to World GK. In this series of international organization, today we are going to discuss about World Bank. So, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So, without much delaying, let's start the lecture. First, let's see some basic facts. World Bank is formed on 4th July 1944. The purpose is to the economic development and poverty elimination throughout the world. The headquarters is situated in Washington DC, US. Currently there are 189 member states of the World Bank. President is David Malpass. The managing director and the World Bank Group financial officer is Anshula Kant. Chief Administrative Officer is Shaoling Yang. Main organ is Board of Directors, while its parent organization is United Nations. You can check this on the website of World Bank, that is www.worldbank.org. And the motto of the World Bank is working for free of poverty. Now, let's talk about the World Bank. Basically, there are 189 member countries of World Bank Group, and the World Bank Group is basically a global partnership of 5 institutions working together for to reduce poverty, build shared prosperity in developing countries. The World Bank Group works with country governments, the private sector, civil society organizations, regional development banks, think tanks, and various other international institutes on the issues ranging from climate change, conflict, food security, to education, agriculture, finance and trade, etc. Now, let's see some history behind it. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, that is IBRD, and International Development Association, that is IDA, togetherly called as World Bank, which provides financing policies, policy advice and technical assistance to governments and developing countries. So these two organizations collectively called as World Bank, but the World Bank Group contains 5 organizations that we are going to see. That is, first is IBRD and International Development Association. The third organization is International Finance Corporation. IBRD provides loans, credits and grants, while International Development Association provides low or non-interest loans to low-income countries, whereas the International Finance Corporation provides investments, advice and asset management to companies and governments. The next 2 organizations of the World Bank Group are the Multilateral Guarantee Agency and the International Center for the Settlement of Investment Disputes. The Multilateral Guarantee Agency ensures lenders and investors against political risk such as war, while the International Center for the Settlement of Investment Disputes settles investment disputes between investors and countries. All these 5 institutions supporting the World Bank Group twin goals, that is basically ending extreme poverty by 2030 and boosting shared prosperity of poorest, that is 40% of population in all countries. Now, how the World Bank and the group formed? Let's see its history. We know about the Bretton Woods Conference. After the Second World War, the world's economy is destroyed and devastated. Then 44 nations meet together at Bretton Woods, New Hampshire in 1944 to agree upon a series of new rules for international finance and monetary. or after the conclusion of Second World War.